Hi, welcome to Let's Talk. Today we're going to give you a very short tutorial on how to create an org chart. So sometimes when we are asked to go and create an org chart, it would take us, minutes, probably an hour to go and do this. But with this technique that I'm going to share with you, it will just probably take you a minute or two. Now, what you see on the screen right now are two applications. One is just your notepad and the other one is your PowerPoint. Now, here in the notepad, I've already prepared the organization data, and this is just this is fictional and fictional rather. And I have here the executive, the senior leadership, the department heads, and team members. So this is a four-layer organization data. But what I have also indicated here are some notes that will help me in organizing them later on. So you just need to go and prepare this one. And I'm sure if you are already handling the people or you're handling this type of data, it would be easier for you to manage. So in this example, I have the CEO, Alessandra Reyes, the COO is Daniel Cruz, and he reports to Alexandra Reyes. And then the other ones we have here are department heads, and this also shows who they report to. The fourth layer would be the team members. Now, after I have already done this, what I just need to do is make a very quick edit wherein I will just need to go and put in the position and the name. And then after that, when you go to the second layer, this one, so when you go to the second layer, you just need to go and press tab, all right? And then just go and paste the name of the COO and the people who are working under him. So you have here another tab, operations manager, you have operations analyst, reporting to the operations manager, so on and so forth. So what we really need would be this particular data. So starting from the first layer, going to the second, you just need to go and copy it. So I'll just go and press Control C. Now, let's move over to PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, there is already a feature, and this is also something that you can access in Word and in Excel. When you go to Insert, you will see here Smart Art. So when you go to Smart Art, it will actually give you a lot of visuals or a lot of graphics that you can just go and use. And we have here all of the sample Smart Art graphic, and then we have the list, the process, etc. But what we're going to use would be hierarchy. Now, there are also a lot of options. You may even have, if you want to add other elements, you can also do that here. But let's just go and make use of the first one. And this is your organizational chart. Later on, I'll show you how easy it is to go and redesign your org chart. So if I go and click on OK, this will already open this smart art. Let me just go and take out the placeholders there. Let's keep this blank. Now, what we have here would be the boxes where you would be entering the names of the employees. But there's no need for you to go and manually enter it. When you go and click on any of the boxes or any of the elements here in your smart art graphic, you will see this handle. So let me just go and zoom in. You will see this handle. Once you go and click it, this will already go and open this dialog box. This is where you will be pasting all those names that we've copied earlier. So go to the first field and then just press Control V. And then you already have your org chart. Now you will see that there are extra boxes there at the end, and that's because I didn't get to fill them up. So these are extra boxes. So if you have those extra boxes, all you need to do is just go and click them and then hit delete. So every time you go and press delete, you are already creating or you are already deleting a particular box. Now, if you are not happy with this design, you can just go and point to your menu and then click on Smart Art Design. You can still go and make changes on the Smart Art graphic that you have selected. So let's just say that I want to go and choose this one, right? This one. And this one is named hierarchy. And as I go and hover over them, let me just go and zoom out once again. As I go and hover over them, it is already giving me an idea on how they would look like. So like in this case, I would prefer to have this one. So I'll just go and click on hierarchy. Now, if you want to change the colors, again, while you're still in the Smart Art Design tab, just go and click on your change colors, and you can also go and see how it would look like if you would be using a different shade for your particular graphic. Now, the other styles that you see here, it can go and make it into something glossy. If you want to go and make it polished, make it turn into 3D, etc. You also have these options when you go to your smart art styles. So this is something that you can use if you're using Excel, PowerPoint, or Windows. So that's how easy it is. Now, just a very quick thing that you can also do. Let's just say that you made an error and you wanted to change, let's say, the operations coordinator should be reporting to the operations analyst. Now, if that is going to be the case, you just need to click on that particular box. When you go to your smart art design once again, you will see here on the upper left, there's a button where you can go and promote or demote. So of course, that's the term that they use. But if you want to go and promote, you can go and click it, and that would make Jasmine Flores go under the COO. So that's promoting, making her a manager. But if you want to bring her back again, you can just go and click on demote. Or if you want her to report under Mark Rivera, then you just go and click on demote once again. So that would make her reporting directly to Mark Rivera. So I'll just go and click on undo. So that's how easy it is to go and create your org chart. And again, if you really need to go and make a very quick graphic for this one, that's how you would be doing it. So again, you just need to have this prepared. You just need to have your the names and even the positions available, and you'll be able to go and do it in just a minute. All right. So thank you very much for taking time to go and watch this very quick tutorial. And if you have any questions, please feel free to go and send us a message. You can message me, and my name is Karen Hino Keeler. You can also message my husband, Eugene Keeler. We facilitate trainings on data communication and communication as well. All right. Thank you very much.